Everyone, Brian from All Day Ruckoff here, and today we're talking about GORUCK's February 2019 Rucking Challenge. This is an AAR that I shot during the event. GORUCK has been putting on these virtual rucking challenges every month starting January 2019, where if you complete the event, they'll send you a patch for free. It's a really cool idea. So during the February one, I decided to bring my GoPro along, shoot some video, and then when the event finished, I had quite a bit of stuff, threw it all together, and we'll see how this turned out. I hope you enjoy it. If you do, leave a comment, let me know. And if you don't enjoy it, think this should be the last one I ever do, leave a comment. Would love to hear your opinion on that as well. Either way, I had a lot of fun getting out there. I rucked a mile plus a day for the entire month of February. The kicker on the challenge was if you missed a day, you had to do some PT. So I made sure not to miss a day. And the other bit was every week you have to increase the weight. I started out week 1 at 30 pounds, week 2 at 45. Week 3, I brought both of those weights along, had 75 pounds. And then for week 4, I was planning on doing 90, but I got some encouragement from some fellow GRT and ended up going up to 100 pounds for that last week. It was a really interesting month weather-wise in Seattle. I think I jinxed the entire area within the first 18 seconds of this event, so you might get a kick out of that. With that being said, here is the AAR.
First day of the GORUCK February Rucking Challenges event. It's a wet one, but at least it's not freezing like I know it is in other spots of the US. So day 4 of GORUCK's Rucking Challenge, mile a day. We're supposed to get 3 inches of snow. Got a little bit more than that, around about 8, which is funny because for Seattle, that's absolutely unheard of. So we're up a little bit above everyone else, but all the schools are canceled. Everything's canceled. It's like no one outside. There's a couple tracks through here right now. I don't know if you can see them or not, but that's pretty much from my walk earlier this morning with my daughter. So the only stroller tracks out here, but it's pretty funny. So definitely did not expect this, but getting out there and enjoying it. Today we're rucking to the post office because the USPS driver decided not to stop at the office to pick up the packages, so got them all in the rucker, headed on down, and gonna get them all off to you. So day 5 of the February mile a day challenge. Definitely getting more than a mile in today, but it's all good because these views are amazing. We don't get much snow here, so it's kind of a treat to us. And this is the 8th day of the GORUCK mile a day challenge. Yesterday I upped the weight from 30 pounds to 45 pounds, and we got more snow, so that's been a joy. Nothing like slipping around on some ice with 45 pounds in your ruck. So it's been an experience out here, but it's been a ton of fun. This weather is at least nice to look at. Sucks for rucking, but I mean the views can't be beat. Out here on day 10 of the GORUCK mile a day rucking challenge, and it's another snow day, and something really cool happened, which I don't know if you'll think is cool or not, but I ruck these routes pretty frequently, and I never knew that this path and this trail system was back here until it snowed, because there were a couple sets of footprints leading out into the woods. So kind of followed those, and it's really nice back here. So I'm excited to come back when it's not as snowy and see what it's like then. But really glad I went this route, and I mean, check this out. It's awesome back here. It is awesome. Day 10, 45 pounds, checking in. Out on the 11th day of the GORUCK Rucking Challenge for February, mile a day. A lot of snow. A lot of snow. 45 pounds, that's about it. So this is about the spot where I started putting my hand over the mic on the GoPro
when I was recording, and I pretty much ruined a couple videos. So you're just gonna have some nice B-roll of rucking in the snow. This is one of my favorite hills to ruck right here. It's over 100-foot elevation gain going up, and it was quite a bit of fun to do with 45 pounds in the ruck in the snow. This was still in week 2 of the event, where I was rucking with 45 pounds. Next video is week 3. That's where I switched it up, went to 75 pounds, basically took the 45 I had, kept it in there, and threw the 30 in from that first week. Out on the second day of week 3, so we're up to 75 pounds. Daughter threw up this morning, or this afternoon, so I kind of threw a whole wrench in getting the ruck in during the day. So out here at night, pretty slick, but the temperatures are warming up, so we're good there. Out here, halfway through the week, 75 pounds in the ruck. Excited to finally have some sidewalks to ruck over, not just ice and snowbanks. So that's been pretty nice. Obviously not the case everywhere, but feeling good about it. Excited to hit week 4, get some more weight in the ruck. Doing 75 right now, but again, it's just for a mile, so that's not too bad. This is the last day at the week 3 weight, which for me was 75 pounds. Starting tomorrow is going to be the week 4 weight. I have 7 more days of that, and then done with the GORUCK February Rucking Challenge. It's nice that all the snow's gone for the most part, and able to get out here and enjoy some of these trails in a less slippery manner. Week 4 was a fun one. After some encouragement from some people on Instagram, ended up going up to 100 pounds in the ruck. Used the 45, another 45, both in a Rucker 1.0, so they fit inside the 2 pockets, and then threw just a 10-pound plate in there to round it all out. It was a lot of weight, and the rucks sucked. In addition, I wasn't able to hold the camera out in front of me and make a video that looked decent enough for any sort of use. So here's some footage from those rucks in that last week. You can see the snow's melted quite a bit. Still a little slippery, but way better than the weeks before. And I can't believe that stuff stuck around all month. I guess that's what I get for saying day 1, at least it's not snowing.
It's a wet one, but at least it's not freezing